Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the skincare product. This is from the History of Whoo and it's a special gift set. So this is the special gift set from the History of Whoo. So the packaging is very nice and it comes with 6 products. So this one is the cleansing foam. And then we have the Essential Revitalizing Balance. And then the Essential Revitalizing Emulsion. And this one is the Intensive Revitalizing Essence. So this one comes with the pump. And this one is the cream. And then this one is the eye cream. So this one is the balancer. And this one is the essence. This one comes in a pump. And it is a bit sticky. This one is the emulsion. This one is the cream. And this one is like a balm. And this one is the eye cream. This one is also like a balm. So I have tried this gift set for 2 weeks and until now I did not have any breakout, and also the skincare did help my skin become more soft and smooth. So all of the product has some kind of fragrance. It is quite strong and it smells like a herbal medicine. So I have tried applying them for my night routine and also for my morning routine. So I think they work very well for the night routine, especially because I layer them up. But for the morning routine, after I apply for a few days, I find that I was sweating a lot after I left home. So I think the whole set is not suitable for the morning routine, especially it is so hot and humid in Hong Kong. So for night it is fine, but for day routine, so I switched to only applying these 2 products. So this one is the balancer and this one is the emulsion. So when I started using only these 2 products for the morning routine, then I did not have the problem of sweating a lot. So the packaging of these 2 products are very nice. It looks very feminine. But the problem is when we are trying to take out the product. So it is very difficult to take out the product like this, especially the emulsion. The essence has a normal packaging with the pump, but it is much easier to take out the product. And for the cream and the eye cream, they also come in this very beautiful shape. So it's also very feminine. And this one is very easy to take out. The essence is quite sticky, so the cream really helps to balance that stickiness, and after we apply this cream, then the face does not feel sticky anymore. So the packaging of the cleansing foam is standard, but the color is very nice, and also the product has the gel consistency. To apply this cleansing foam, I wet my face first. Then I rub the cleansing foam between my hands and then apply it to my face. The cleansing foam worked really well, and also it did not dry out the skin after washing with water, and it left my skin to feel soft and smooth. So I did like how the skincare felt on my skin, and also the product was easily absorbed by my skin. So these are really good products. I like this set more than the Suwol Su set that I had tried before. So I still have a decent amount of product left, so I will try to finish them up first, and if I still want to continue, I will get the bigger size product. I think these small gift sets are very good products for trying out a new product, and we can see whether they are suitable for our skin and whether we want to get the standard size or not. So I had a good experience with this, and I will continue using the rest of them. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.